Salut à toutes et à tous et bienvenue une fois de plus à la Minute On-Set, oui, et on parle une fois de plus du cinéma, de l'actualité des cinéastes africains, tant sur le continent qu'à l'international. Et dans ce numéro, nous allons parler de Zoé Mattinson. C'est une réalisatrice ghanéenne qui a réalisé le film The Fishmans. À ne pas confondre avec des Fisherman's Diary, réalisé par Anna John Scott, produit par Kankitus. Voilà, c'est des Fisherman's. C'est un film ghanéen qui est en train de bien marcher dans des festivals. Elle venait tout juste de gagner le prix du meilleur film à la Silicon Valley Africa Film Festival. Voilà, c'était du côté de San Francisco. Et nous vous proposons de suivre son interview exclusive qu'elle a accordée au micro d'On-Set.
Hi, my name is Zoe Martinson, and I'm the writer-director of The Fisherman, a film from Ghana. And I'm here in Silicon Valley for the Silicon Valley African Film Festival. The Fisherman is about aging traditional fisherman in Ghana who's forced into retirement and ends up partnering with a bougie-talking fish. It sends him on this crazy adventure to Accra to chase this dead dream of owning his own boat. So The Fisherman currently is running in cinemas in Accra and about to open this weekend in Kumasi. We're excited for it to go into many film festivals across the United States. It's been going into a lot. It's been winning a lot of awards. And it's about to go into the UK in a few film festivals there. The film premiered at the Venice Film Festival. It won the Fellini Medal by UNESCO. And we don't have distribution in the United States or streaming yet. So hopefully after its festival run or through its festival run, we will find a place for the film to live where more people can see it.
Have you heard about the movie The Fisherman's Diary from Cameroon?
I did not know about this film, honestly, until people have told me that it exists now. And so this film seems like it's very different from that film because I think that film is based on a book, correct? This film is based on my brain, and it's a comedy. It's a fantasy comedy. So it's just a different story, but with a similar title. So as a filmmaker, I got my start actually not in film. I got my start in the theater. I was writer and director. Off Broadway, I have a few plays that toured around the world and in the US. And then I started writing and directing television here in the US. And now this is my debut feature film, The Fisherman.
So what next?
Up next, I'm just out here creating some new films, looking for money. I have a TV show that I was just pitching at Gotham Week as a series creator to watch. And yeah, just stay tuned. You can follow me Zoe, Zoey Martinson, Martinson, on Instagram or all social media platforms and keep abreast of what I'm working on next.
Et oui, c'était la réalisatrice ghanéenne Zoé, oui, qui a réalisé ces magnifiques chefs-d'œuvre des Fishermans à regarder absolument. En tout cas, nous, on sera là pour vous donner ample d'informations concernant la distribution de ce film. Comment est-ce que vous pouvez regarder soit sur Amazon, soit sur Netflix et sur d'autres grandes plateformes de streaming mondial. On sera là très heureux à vous donner tous ces détails. Abonnez-vous sur notre page Facebook On-Set, également sur la page Instagram Willy Numo, qui est ma page personnelle. Abonnez-vous pour ne rien manquer de ce qui est de l'actualité du cinéma africain, tant sur le continent qu'à l'international. Work day. Peace.